this video, I am going to show you how to make starry background in CapCut. So first, you can select your videos or photos or images you want to edit. For example, I'm going to select this logo, CapCut logo, and this is the PNG format, and I will not remove the background. So just going to basic and scroll down. Select canvas and select style canvas. Okay, scroll down. Select the Starry canvas. Just scroll down until you find it. Alright, use. Alright, just going to remove the black color. Right. Yeah, I will remove the background. So here we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much.